Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hospitality Connection. This side Aman Raj, student of IHM Lucknow. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about NCHMCT JEE entrance exam and how to prepare for NCHMCT reasoning part, because in my upcoming video I will teach the reasoning section. So NCHMCT JEE is National Council for Hotel Management and Catering Technology joint entrance exam, which is conducted by National Testing Agency NTA once a year. The form of NCHMCT releases in the month of February and exam is conducted in the month of May or June. The exam is held in CBT mode, which is computer based test, and questions are objective type questions. The question paper of NCHMCT has 5 sections, which is English, Maths, Reasoning, GK and Service sector. English section has 60 questions for 240 marks, Maths section has 30 questions for 120 marks, Reasoning has 30 questions for 120 marks, GK section has 30 questions for 120 marks, Service sector has 50 questions for 200 marks. So total number of questions asked in exam is 200 questions. One question is of 4 marks, 200 question is of 800 marks, and -1 is negative marking for each wrong answer given, and time duration for solving whole question paper is 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. So now let us see the degree which is offered by IHMs to the students. Those students who have taken admission in year 2022 or before year 2022 were offered 3-year BSc HNHA degree with combined collaboration of NCHMCT and Indira Gandhi National Open University, which is IGNOU. But those students who are going to take admission in year 2023 and after year 2023 will offer 3+1 year degree. 3-year degree is of BSc HNHA degree with jointly collaboration of NCHMCT and JNU Jawaharlal Nehru University. But the students who will go for 3+1 year degree will offer 4-year BSc Honours HNHA degree with jointly collaboration of NCHMCT and Jawaharlal Nehru University. In our India, we have 21 central government IHM and 25 state government IHM, but our main focus is to achieve and take admission in top government IHMs, which is IHM Pusa, IHM Mumbai, IHM Hyderabad, IHM Chennai, IHM Lucknow, IHM Hyderabad, IHM Kolkata, IHM Simla, IHM Goa and IHM Bhopal. So now let's see the syllabus of reasoning and how to prepare the syllabus of reasoning. So in reasoning, we have total 17 chapters given in the book The Ultimate Guide for Hotel Management by the Arihant publication. Out of 17 chapters, we have total 14 chapters which are important for the exam, from where the questions arises every year. The 14 important chapters are alphabet test, coding decoding, analogy test, number series, letter series, alphabet series, dictionary words, arrangement of words, direction sense test, classification odd one out, Venn diagram, number ranking and time sequence test, cube and dice, seating arrangement, blood relation, clock and calendar. So we will cover alphabet test in 4 classes, coding decoding in 4 classes, analogy test in 5 classes, number series, letter series, alphabet series in 4 classes, dictionary words in 1 to 2 classes, arrangement of words in 1 classes, direction sense test in 3 classes, classification odd one out in 3 classes, Venn diagram in 2 classes, number ranking and time sequence test in 3 classes, cube and dice in 2 classes, seating arrangement in 3 classes, blood relation in 3 classes, clock and calendar in 3 classes, and we will cover whole syllabus of reasoning in approx 45 to 50 videos. And in next video I will teach the chapter alphabet test. So in last Please like my videos and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in next video of alphabet test. Thank you.